This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Thunder Creek Equipment. Learn more about the company's no hazmat, no CDL field service and fleet management solutions at thundercreek.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, October 7th, where the story today at Utility Expo will be what the weather is going to do. But in the meantime, check out these great data-driven articles at constructionequipment.com. The first comes from the Virginia Tech Helmet Lab, which in a new study shows that transitioning from a Type 1 to a Type 2 helmet can reduce your risk of concussions from falls by 34% and can reduce the risk of skull fractures by 65%. Also, Teletrac Navman has released its annual Mobilizing the Future of Fleet study, in which 93% of fleet managers report that operational efficiencies and maintenance are their biggest challenges. And finally, Caterpillar with a great article on DPF maintenance and tips, including recommendations on idle time and digital monitoring. Have a great Utility Expo. We'll talk to you back here on Friday.